Hi, I'm Colin from NRMA. The following video looks at how to use the NRMA fast charger when recharging your electric vehicle.
The Connect Car to Charger icon will flash when the unit is available for use. Ensure your vehicle is switched off before plugging in to charge. Once the vehicle is connected, the payment icon and the stop icon will light up. You are not required to present a membership card or a credit card to activate at this time. Press the button to select 80% or maximum charge. If not pressed, the charge will default to 80%. Press the blue Start button to start charging. The charging indicator panel lights up when the charger is active. The LED information displays minutes remaining for the charge, battery percentage when charging, as well as kilowatt hours delivered. Press the green button to stop charging session at any time. The session complete icon will flash to indicate the charging session has completed. Return the handset to the charger unit's holster. In the unlikely event of an emergency, turn the red emergency stop knob located at the bottom of the charger to the right. The charger will return to normal after 5 minutes.
One of the first things you'll notice on the NRMA chargers is we have two adapters. Depending on what vehicle you have, choose the correct lead before connecting to your vehicle. Should you have a Tesla, the Teslas come with an adapter, so you can still use the NRMA fast charger. For more information around electric vehicles, don't forget to jump onto the NRMA website, mynrma.com.au.